Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am super excited to share an amazing project with you, a sleek and a modern to-do app built using React and Gadget. This app is not just visually appealing but also incredibly functional, allowing you to add, complete and delete tasks in real time with smooth animations. Whether you are a new or starting out with React or looking to explore how to integrate Gadget for a seamless background experience, this project is perfect for you. So stick around as I walk you through the feature of this app and show you how to build this app step by step. So first you need to create an account in the Gadget and logged in. Then click on the new app and click on web app, then click next and name of your app. In my case I will name it Wixop to do list and I will choose JavaScript and hit confirm. So it will take a few seconds to set up your app. And once it is done, we can preview the app. So meanwhile I can tell you these are the files where we have API, then models, and the models we have session, user and actions, and the route. Then we have a web folder where have the front end files. So our app is ready. If you click on the preview, you will see the landing page of this app. You are now signed out from this, and if you click on the sign in, it will take you this sign in page. So let's sign in with the Google, and I will choose my account and I will sign in. So you will see a page like this. This is the sign in page, and this code is coming from the web and routes and sign in.jsx. So we are going to create a new model for our database. So I will name it to do, and then once you create this model you will see two things like schema and data and actions, three things. So if you click on the schema, and here we can define the fields for our table. So I will have a new field item, and here I will select the string and add the validation. Next I need another field is complete, and this field would be Boolean and the default value would be false. So we have done the schema, and now let's create the front end part. So let me just copy and paste the code. I will share this code with you, and this is the code for creating and deleting and updating and fetching the record from this model. Let me add some CSS. So I will copy and paste this CSS, and if you go here you will see our to-do list app. So let's try to add some items like buy grocery. Add this item and instantly it will be added in the database. And if you go to the data, you will see the new record in the database. Let's try to add some more records and click add, and so these are all records are going into the database. Let me add few more. And okay, so this is how you can add the records in the database. And now we have all the records, and if you click on this checkbox, these record will be marked as a completed by groceries. And if you go to the gadget and click on the data and reload the database, now this is completed true, other are false. So these are all the records are saving in the database. Let me explain you the code which I have written for this. So we have a React component where we have a new to-do list. These are some variables where I use the useState and the loading button ID and is adding. So how we can fetch the record from the database? To fetch the record, we will use useFindMany and the API dot to do. This is to do is our model, and we will use the gadget component gadget module useFind. So it will fetch all the record from the database. And if you go here and click on the API docs, it will automatically generate the API for your project. So if you click on to do model, it will show you how to retrieve and get the record. Like if you want to retrieve all the record, you will click on here, and here you will see we have to do record await API to do dot find first, and you can change the language. In the React you will be using like this, use find dot first, and if you're retrieving the many of the records, you will type something use find many and API to do dot to do the model name, and it will return you the all the record in the data. If there is any error, it will give you error, or here you will get the state of the data like fetching or loading, whatever. So this is the complete documentation and how you can create the record. This is how you can create the record like this. Create useAction API, and you can add the record with the useAction API. So very simple, very easy and very fast to build an app with the gadget. They're doing very good job, and this is how you can build the app. And if you would like to delete the record, you can click on delete, and instantly it will delete the record from the database. Let me delete few of them. And now if you see, we have only one record in the database which is already completed. And if I go back in the data folder, you will see we have only one record. So that's it. We have successfully built a fully functional to-do app using the React and Gadget. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful in understanding how to create a dynamic and responsive application. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you again.